What's up, guys? Welcome to the new video. Yes, today without webcam because it's fucking late. Today I'm gonna show you how you can create this stupid text. As you can see, maybe you are a beginner in Blender and you can create some 3D text just using a couple of modifiers very quickly in 2 fucking minutes. Oh shit, guys, zero mistakes. Look at this. You can write, of course, whatever you want, guys, and I'm just using 2 modifiers, Wave Modifier and Remesh Modifier. I'm gonna show you. So let's start with the new project. Now select the cube by the left click, X and delete. Shift A and you got right here text. Now you can zoom in by the scroll of the mouse and click tab and you just delete in the text and you can write whatever you want. Maybe fuck me. And click tab to basically confirm, yes? Now, you can rotate the text by R, X and 90 degrees, yes? And I just rotate this stupid text. Now, if you don't know how to navigate in Blender, go on the view, navigation, and you got right here, walk navigation, right click, assign shortcut, Shift F, VSD, you can travel in this 3D space. I got my text. You just want to go on this icon, and you can open the geometry and you can extrude the text. This just make it in 3D. Let's go. So you just add basically and you can play around on the depth right here, yes, to make it more rounder, those fucking letters, yes, right here. Now, so we can play around on the extrusion and on the depth right here, and a little bit of the offset if you want, like I said, to make it more rounder in the fucking corner. Go on the modifiers and you want to add Remesh Modifier. So choose Remesh. This looks like shit, but we're gonna tap different number, 0.01, and click enter. And this looks more sharper and add geometry to our text because we're gonna apply different modifier. Click right here and you want to choose a Wave Modifier. Wait, yes, on the deform you got right here wave. If I'm gonna click spacebar, I got this stupid fucking animation. Now you can adjust, of course, all the values right here, yes. You're just playing around on the height, my suggestion, and you're gonna have different effect. And you got right here the dimension, so I can deselect the X direction and I got right here this kind of motion, yes. And like I said, you must add Remesh Modifier to add more geometry to have this kind of effect, yes, if you want. So you can play around right here on the width and on the height if you want to have different fucking effect on your text. So look at this. This looks like fucking shit. You can open the time, guys. Best tutorial ever. You can open the time and you can play around on the offset right here, yes, a little bit too. And what's cool about this, you can just select the text and Shift D and GZ, move this up by duplicating and moving up, yes. So Shift D to duplicate and GZ to move this up. And click tab and I can just adjust 1 letter and make it different value. Maybe I'm gonna adjust 1 word, so I'm gonna click tab to go to the object mode and I can select this text and click tab and I'm gonna leave maybe me. And I'm gonna click tab to go to the object mode and I can add different value right here. So maybe I'm gonna choose different offset and different height, why not? And I'm gonna have different fucking effect on those 2 fucking words. And you can do that. I hope you can see this, yes? I control right here the fuck word. So you got different speeds, yes, of course, on this stuff. Now I'm controlling the me, as you can see. And you can do that to 1 liter to create your, I don't know, 3D text to some cartoon or your project, yes, some funny stuff by using this Wave Modifier. It's pretty cool. Like I said, I can change the direction, so maybe I'm gonna change the direction by using just 2 modifiers. Like bam bam, in 2 minutes you can create this. So Shift A, of course, add plane, S, and move the mouse to make it bigger, and click tab, click 2 on the numpad and on the claviature, number 2, select this edge and E to extrude and Z to create this kind of scene, and left click, click tab. You can select this plane, go on the modifiers, and we're gonna choose bevel modifier very quickly, and you just add right here the amount, maybe 0.2, and right here to round this up. Yes, and you just created the fucking scene. And you can render your text, of course. My suggestion, just add some camera to make it look like, hey, this is 3D fucking text, okay? This is not like 2D. No, I play around on 3D text. So what next, guys? You can go on the render view and just play around on the lighting and everything. So GZ, move, I'm gonna move this up, and GZ move this up to adjust the setting. Now you can tap in numpad right now, 0 to go to the camera, and if you establish the shortcut, Shift F, you can travel with the camera to establish some shot. Yeah, this looks fine. And of course you can always adjust the extrusion, yes, right here, the how much you wanna have the fucking text, how big, yes, in the 3D kind of space. You get it, the idea. How much do you wanna extrude the fucking text? And play around on the different values right here. So it's pretty cool to use in those two modifiers. This is the knowledge, guys. To add remesh, to add more geometry, right here up, and to add wave modifier to control your text. And you can create, like I said, some cool to your cartoon, some stupid animated text, yes. And of course you can light this scene, yes. So right here, you can go on the change this to the shader editor. Guys, it's boring. Change this to world, and you can add your, my suggestion, add HDR, okay, it's gonna have better effect. This is just tutorial, so Shift A, I'm gonna add sky effect, sky texture, and I'm gonna plug this, and on the value 0.1. Yes, to add some lighting, and I'm gonna add right here, bloom, add this fucking setting right here. And on the film, I'm gonna add transparent because I don't wanna see this yet. Like I said, change this engine to the cycles and play around on the stuff. If you know what I'm talking about, to the scene look better, okay? If not, just follow those steps and it's gonna look like shit. Now you can add change this right here to the object, and you can add the material. So click new and download some textures from YouTube if you have some time. Not like B, I don't want to fucking search for the shit. And you can just add some right here, different textures to your text to make it look, I don't know, cool or something, yes. Some right here, kind of cartoonish, and click new, and I can add different color, of course, to this, maybe ammunition, and I'm gonna change right here and add right here the fucking text. Fuck B, guys. So this is this is you can put this in some cartoon, like I said, intro, yes, or something. It uses this wave modifier because I can see that, like, bam, let's go, welcome, or to your channel or something, or maybe you got some project, yeah, like, bam, I render this stuff, I got 3D fucking text, and like I said, add better fucking textures, guys, because this looks like shit. Okay, and play around on the lighting too. This looks already better. Yes, bam. And you can add, of course, some textures to your scene right here to this plane. So click new, and you can change the fucking color, guys. Let's go. So I hope you get it, guys, how this works. Okay, subscribe if you like this content. This is for the beginners. Like, just add remesh modifier to some word right here that you're gonna write, and you can do this by 1 liter. You can just adjust the offset of the wave modifier maybe on timing, and you're gonna have different effect on every word or every fucking liter, yes, or whatever, guys. This looks like shit. You can change the colors, guys, of course. I hope you know. Subscribe if you like this content. I record this fast. I must add more tutorials on this channel because this channel is called tutorials. Subscribe, Blender tutorials. Bye, guys.